Hadley, what does your aunt do for a living?
She's a nurse.
Yes, she's a nurse. She's an awesome nurse. She helps a lot of people. And we thought it would be fun to draw a cute nurse today, right? Do you have your marker?
Yes.
We hope you're going to follow along with us. You have something to draw with and some paper. Ready to start?
Yeah.
We're first going to start by drawing our nurse's eyes. We're going to draw 2 circles right in the middle of our paper. And I'm going to draw them kind of big, like this. And I'm going to draw another one over here. Yeah. And then you could spread it out and draw your other one over here. Yeah, I'll give it really wide. Cute. Okay, now up here in the top left, let's draw another smaller circle. There we go. And then let's color in the big circle, but leave the little ones white. Now let's draw her mouth. We're going to draw a little smile right in between her 2 eyes. And we could even add eyelashes. I know, I saw you were going to do that. Rule number 1.
Always add eyelashes.
Yes, always add cute eyelashes.
I did more.
Oh, you did a lot more.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, you did 4 on both sides. Now let's draw her head. We're going to draw a U shape that starts over here on the left, and it's going to come all the way around and then back up on the right side.
Is that her smile?
No, this is her smile. This is her face.
I'm like, is that her nose? That we
Oh, yeah.
do?
We could draw another little line for her nose right above her mouth if you want. Oh, cute little cheek. Now let's draw her hair. We're going to draw a line that comes up like that. And we could also draw a line that comes up on the other side too. Now, see how I extended it out past her head on each side? That's so we can draw our ears underneath. But let's finish her hair. So I'm going to draw a little zigzag that comes down and then back up.
Down, back up.
Yes. And then over here, we could draw another zigzag that comes down, back up, and then connects.
Zigzag hair.
Yeah, zigzag hair. Oh, that's really cute.
It's a mountain.
It's a mountain. Now let's draw our ears. We're going to draw a J shape or a little hook that comes down and connects to her head. Cute little ears. All right, now let's draw the top of her head, and we're going to draw a big rainbow line that starts over here. It's going to go over the top and then back down on the other side.
I added earrings.
Oh, good. I'm going to add earrings too. I'm going to draw little circles underneath her ears. I like the little dots you added. Okay, now let's draw her nurse hat, and we're going to draw 2 lines that come out of the top of her head. Makes her look like a little insect.
Insect.
Her antennas, or an alien. Okay, now we're going to draw another rainbow line that goes over the top and connects the 2 lines. Now we're going to put the first aid cross right here at the very end when we color it. Let's leave it blank for now. And we're also going to finish her hair at the very end. Let's draw her body next.
Okay.
Now we're going to draw 2 lines that come out from her chin. We're going to draw one that comes down here and another one that comes down over here. We're going to draw a little cute short body. Yeah, good. Now at the bottom, let's connect the 2 lines. This could be for her jacket. And then we could also draw her with a little skirt. 2 more lines that come down, and then let's connect those 2 lines also.
There we go.
Yeah, good job. Now let's draw her legs and her feet. We're just going to draw 2.
Really easy legs.
Yeah, really easy legs. We're going to draw 2 little U's that stick out the bottom. Good. And then right here, let's draw our shoes. We could draw a line, goes across, and one over here too.
One's bigger than the other one.
Yeah. Now let's add the details to her jacket. We're going to draw a little V right here at the top.
V.
Yep. And then let's turn it into a Y. We're going to draw a line straight down. Good. Now let's draw our collar. We can draw a little curve on each side of the Y. And then we can also add a little pocket on the side.
Pocket.
Yeah. Now sometimes the nurses, when they're walking around the hospital, they're carrying a clipboard with them. So let's draw a little clipboard. We're going to draw an upside down L. So we're going to draw a line that comes out and then back down. Good. And then let's connect it back in, and it ends up looking like a little rectangle. Now let's draw the little details on our clipboard. Let's draw a smaller rectangle right here on the end.
Where they attach the paper.
Yeah, where the paper is attached. And then we could also draw lines coming down for the words on the clipboard.
Boop.
Yeah.
Boop.
Good job. All right, what is she missing?
Her arms.
Yeah, she's missing her arms. Let's draw one over here on the right side. We're going to draw a line that comes down and then curves into her jacket.
Because how can she hold a clipboard without
I know,
arms?
it's just floating. And then we can draw a little line for her sleeve. And then let's draw the same thing over here, but it's going to go behind her clipboard. She's hanging on to it. And then we're going to leave it just like that because the rest of her arm is behind her clipboard. It's overlapping. That makes it look 3D. All right, now let's finish her hair. We're going to start up here. We're going to draw a really pretty hair that comes down. It's going to be super long. We're going to draw it coming all the way down and curve in.
Whoa. Lots of hair.
Lots of hair. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Come all the way down and curve in. And we want to end in the same spot that we ended on the right side. See how they're even? Yeah. Good job. Now right at the end, we're gonna curl out. She's gonna have really pretty hair. And then we're gonna curl out on the other side too. Now right here at the end, we're gonna curve back into her body or into her arms. And I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Yeah. Fashion. You did it, Hadley. Good job. All right, now we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color.
Yeah, we need to color her. She's gonna look so much cuter once we add color. Now we're gonna fast forward this part, but you guys at home can pause the video at the end to match the same coloring. We did it, Hadley. Good job. You finished coloring your little nurse and she looks super cute. She's my favorite. And it's okay that her drawings look different, right?
Yes.
Because the most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, to have fun. And we hope you guys had a lot of fun following along with us and drawing your own nurses. Now remember, you guys can use your own creativity to change your drawings also.
Yes.
You could change the skin tone and even the hair color.
Yes.
And we'll see you later, art friends.
Goodbye.
If you had fun following along in this lesson, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the circle. Then you can click the bell to get notified every time we upload new videos. I've also picked out these 2 other lessons I thought you'd really enjoy. Don't forget to take a photo of your child's finished artwork and share it on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter because we want to see how awesome it turned out.